Good morning, class. Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my class, students. As we have completed chapter number 12, the talkative barber, along with the explanation and reading of the chapter. Now, today we shall complete the exercises. Today we will be discussing on the exercises of the chapter, that is the talkative barber. Now, here it's written. First of all, let us look on to the new words or to the hard words which is given in the book. Okay, students, today we will discuss about the hard words and the exercises. Now let's complete the exercises. Students, today let's complete the exercises. Let's complete the exercises. Students, look at the board. What I have written on the board. It's that today we are going to complete the exercises of chapter number 12. Okay. First, what do you mean by chatterer? Batuni, a person who talks a lot or more. First point is that it's a chatterer. Chatterer means one who talks a lot. One who talks a lot. बहुत बात करने वाला, बातुनी. Okay. Now let us see the second one. What do you mean by second? The second is defect. What is the English meaning of defect? Means a fault. A fault. यानी कि दोष. Now let us see the third one. It is exhausted. Exhausted means what? To get tired or to get tired or fed up it means थका हुआ या किसी का मन भर जाना. Exhausted. Fine, students. Now there are some more. Dessert, I have already told you. Dessert, what is dessert? A sweet dish served after meal. Dessert, look here, look at the board. Number 4, it's dessert. It's not dessert, but it's dessert. A sweet dish served after meal. Serve after meal यानी भोजन के बाद कुछ मीठा अगर हम खाते हैं, फल खाते हैं, that is called dessert. Now the next here it's examine. What do you mean by examine? Yes, what do you mean by examine? Examine means to look at something carefully. To look at something carefully. Look here, students. Number 5. It's examine. Means to look at something. To look at something carefully. To look at something carefully means to examine something. To look something carefully. परीक्षण करना. एक एक भोजन का बार्बर ने परीक्षण किया. Okay, next. At length. What do you mean by at length? At length means eventually or after some time. Number 6. At length. At length, it means eventually, or you can say after some time. After some time. Means कुछ देर बाद. Okay, students. So these are the hard words which are mentioned in your book. So look at the board. What do you mean by chatterer? What is the English meaning of chatterer? A person who talks lot or एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो बहुत बात करता हो. That is called chatterer. In this story, the talkative barber. Who is the chatterer in this story? The barber is the chatterer, the one who talks a lot. Next, what do you mean by defect? Defect means a fault, कोई दोष. Fault होना. Next, what do you mean by exhausted? Exhausted means to get tired or fed up. थका हुआ या किसी से मन भर जाना, किसी की बात सुनकर दिमाग भर जाना. Next, dessert. What do you mean by dessert? A sweet dish served after meal. Whenever we have our meal in the evening, after the meal, we used to have some fruits like banana, apples, or if you move on to Haryana, yes, sweet. You can say rasgulla or all those things after food. We used to have some sweet dish that is called what? Dessert. Now, what do you mean by examine? Examine means to look at something carefully or to examine something carefully. यानी किसी चीज का परीक्षण करना. Next, at length means eventually or after some time, कुछ देर बाद. Fine. These are the new words which are mentioned in the books. Now, students, we shall be looking. Let's read. Now, let us see in the exercises what is given. Let's read. Students, look at the board. Now, in exercise, we will look on or move on to let's read. Now, what is given in let's read? How many brothers did the barber have? Let's read. Let's read. First question is that how many brothers did the barber have? How many? Use here barber means a particular person. We are discussing about a particular person. So I have written in capital letter B. How many brothers did the barber have? The barber have how many brothers? Okay. Answer is that the barber had 6 brothers. The barber had 6 brothers. Now let us see. Why was the Sultan in a hurry? Students, I hope you understand. आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. First one. The first one, look here, number 1. How many brothers did the barber have? Barber यानी नाई के कितने भाई थे? We are reading. We have read the story. Now we have to discuss the question and answer. The barber had 6 brothers. Now let us see the second question. Why was the Sultan? Why was the Sultan in a hurry? Means why the Sultan was in a hurry? वो जल्दबाजी में, सुल्तान जल्दबाजी में क्यों था? Why was the Sultan in a hurry? Hurry means जल्दबाजी. Answer. He was in hurry. He was in hurry because he had invited some of his friends for feast. Students, now look at a board. This is the answer. The answer is that he means the Sultan was in hurry. The Sultan was in hurry. वो जल्दबाजी में था because the Sultan had invited some of his friends for feast. What do you mean by feast? Feast means पारंपरिक भोज. अपने घर पे महल में लोगों को खाना खिलाने के लिए, भोज कराने के लिए उसने राजा ने अपने मित्रों को निमंत्रण दिया था, इसीलिए वो जल्दबाजी में था. He was in hurry. Now let's see the next question. Now the third question is that why did the barber take so long time? Why did the barber take so long time or so long to save the Sultan? What was the reason that the barber had taken so long to save the Sultan? Why? Because he was busy in talking. So the answer is that the barber took so long to save the to save the Sultan, as he was busy. He was busy in talking. The barber was taking time in talking, so it took so long time. ज्यादा समय क्यों लगा राजा का सर यदि बाल हटाने में सर से नाई को? The reason is that the barber was busy in talking, so it took so long time. Now let us see true or false. Students, now we shall be looking true or false. I hope students, show me your thumb. It is clear these three questions. Students, is these three question is clear to each and everyone? Clear these three questions. Come on. Show me your thumb na, ki these questions are clear. That the barber had 6 brothers. Why was the Sultan in hurry? The Sultan was in hurry because the Sultan had invited his friend for feast. And the third one is that why did the barber take so long to save the Sultan? The barber took so long to save the Sultan because he was busy in talking. Who was busy in talking? The barber was busy in talking. Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, students, let us see the next question. The right, true or false? Right, true or false? Now let me write out the question first. Right, true or false? Right, true or false? Right, true or false? Students, look at the first question. This is question number 4, right, true or false? The first question. Look at the first question. The first question is that the barber was saving the Sultan's beard. Second question, the Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. 3 gold coins. Look at the third one. The barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. The barber refused to leave the Sultan palace. Is it true or false? We will discuss now. Look at number 4. There were 7 brothers. All together in the Sultan's family. There are 4 questions in true or false, but let me add some. कुछ और add कर लेता हूँ. Look at number 5. The Sultan was very talkative. Look at number 6. The barber had called the Sultan. The barber had called the Sultan. Look at next question number 7. The barber had 5 brothers. One more, let us see. Question number 8. The barber wanted fruits for the dessert. Okay, students, now let us discuss on this. Let us discuss on the given questions on the board. Now, look at the board, everybody. Write true or false. Write true or false. Now, you are going to help me, and the questions are here. There are 8 true or false. Now, who will tell me the first answer, whether it is true or false? Whether it is true or false. Who is going to tell me? Who is this? Okay, Arya Tripathi, unmute it. Now, the barber was shaving the Sultan's beard. Is it true or false? The barber the barber was shaving the Sultan's beard. It is written here कि वो सुल्तान का दाढ़ी बना रहा था. Right? True or false?
This is false.
False. Now, what was the Sultan doing there? What was the barber doing there?
The barber was talking
and shaving the head of the Sultan, not the beard. The barber was shaving the head of the Sultan. So it's false. It is
false.
False. It is false. Okay. Let me write here. It's false. It's false. Now, look at the next question. Look at the next question. That is question number 2. The Sultan, who is going to answer me? Arya, now mute it, please. Now, who is going to answer me? The next question. Who is this? Sambhavi Pandey. Unmute it. Sambhavi Pandey, unmute it. Now look at the board. Please don't, if you are not able to answer, don't make noise. Sambhavi Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Sambhavi Pandey, yeah, look at the next question. The Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. The Sultan gave the barber 3 gold coins. True or false?
True.
True. Okay, fine. Very good. It's true. It's true. Now, Sambhavi, mute it. Sambhavi, mute it. Now, who is going to answer to my next question? Who will tell the next answer? Ayush Kumar Singh. Ayush Kumar Singh, look at the next question. Unmute it. Ayush Kumar Singh. Okay, Mamta Kushwaha. Mamta Kushwaha, unmuted. Namya Singh, unmuted. Yeah, look at the next question. Namya Singh, the third one. The barber refused to leave the Sultan palace. Is it true or false? The barber refused to leave the Sultan palace. Is it true or false? Anushka Yadav, unmuted.
Yes.
A barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. True or false?
False.
No, it's true. ये सही है. नाई ने राजा का महल छोड़ने से मना कर दिया. उसने कहा कि महाराज मैं खुद नहीं आया हूँ, मुझे आपने बुलाया है और मैं
Yes, sir.
अपना पूरा काम खत्म कर लूंगा तभी जाऊंगा. So here
Yes, sir, true.
it's true that the barber refused to leave the Sultan's palace. Now mute it. It's true. It's true. Okay, now look at the next question. Who is going to answer my next question? Who is going to answer my next question? Yes, Suryansu, unmuted. Suryansu, unmuted. Yes, look at the next question, Suryansu. There were 7 brothers all together in the Sultan's family. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? There were 7 brothers all together in Sultan family. Is it true or false? Huh? False. It's false. Yes, it's false. The barber had, in this story it is written that the barber had 6 brothers, but we have not got any information that there are 7 brothers in Sultan's family. राजा के महल में वो 7 भाई थे, ऐसा कुछ चर्चा नहीं हुआ है. Okay, now muted Suryansu. Now who is going to answer? Ritvik Gupta, unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik Gupta, can you hear me? Yes, look at the next question. The Sultan was very talkative.
False.
False. Okay, very good. Who was very talkative?
Sir, barber.
Who was very talkative? Ritvik? The barber. Okay, fine. Thank
Sir,
you.
barber.
Now, who is going to answer? Who is this? Ayush Pratap. Ayush Pratap, unmuted. Unmuted. Ayush Pratap, unmute. Yes. Now look at the next question.
Yes,
The barber had called the Sultan. Is it true? The barber had called
False.
the Sultan. False. The Sultan had
True.
called the barber. Yes. It is false. It's false. Now mute it.
False.
Who is this? Ayush Yadav. Unmute it. Ayush Yadav. Yes.
Yes,
Look at the
sir.
next question. Yes. The barber had 5 brothers. Is it true
Sir,
or false?
false.
How many brothers?
6.
6 brothers. Very good, Ayush. Mute it. Now, who will answer the last question? Who will answer the last question? Aryan Gupta. Yes. Unmute it. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta, unmuted. Sorry. Yes, Aryan. No. Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu Singh, unmuted. Look at the last question. The barber wanted fruits for the dessert. The barber wanted fruits for the dessert. Is it true or false? Abhimanyu Singh, can you hear me? Yes, Arya Tripathi. Now it's, look at the next question. Arya Tripathi, unmuted. Yeah, look at the question. The barber wanted fruits for the dessert. Is it true or false? बार्बर को कुछ फल चाहिए था. खाने के बाद, हम भोजन के बाद कोई मीठा लेते हैं. Is it true or false?
It is true.
It is true. Thank you very much. It is true. Okay, students, I hope it is clear. Everyone, is it clear? True or false?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now let us
Yes, sir.
move on.
Clear.
Okay, fine. Next, question number 5. Look at question number 5. Now let me erase the board. Now look at question number 5, students. This was question number 4 and it was true or false. Now look at question number 5. Question number 5. Why did the barber want a lot of food? Question number 5 is that why did the barber want a lot of food? Why did the barber want a lot of food? The barber wants a lot of food because, yes, who will tell me? Or shall I tell you? Okay, let me tell you. The barber wanted a lot of food. The barber wanted a lot of food because the barber wanted a lot of food. The barber wanted a lot of food for his friend to whom he had invited for feast. Yes, look at the board, students. The barber wanted a lot of food for his friends to serve to his friend to whom he had invited for the feast. Look at the board. The barber wanted a lot of food for his friends to whom he had invited for the feast. नाई को ढेर सारा भोजन इसलिए चाहिए था क्योंकि उसने अपने 4-5 दोस्तों को बुलाया था, तो वो अपने दोस्तों के लिए उसे ढेर सारा भोजन चाहिए था. This was question number 5. Now students, look at the next question. The next question, it's not a question now. Let's listen. Now look here. Let's listen, students. Can you see here? There is a barber. You can see here there is a barber and this barber is cutting the hair of a lion. Now let us read this. A lion emerged from his lair. Lair means a place where a lion lives. Okay, lair एक ऐसा den को बोलते हैं जहाँ पे कोई जानवरों का घर होता है या लायन का जो घर होता है उसे लेयर कहते हैं. A lion emerged from his lair for a short summer cut to his hair. It was a summer day and the lion come out of its lair and he went to the barber shops to cut the hair. Now what happened? But the barber wept. The barber was scared. वो डर गया. नाई जो है डर गया कि उसके दुकान में शेर आया है बाल कटवाने के लिए. And the barber started weeping and cutting. वो रो रहा था और उसके बाल काट रहा था. Next, while his customers sleep and the rest they were sleeping. The customers, those who are waiting, they were sleeping as they waited their turns in the chair. It's not only for lion. How do you feel when you go for a haircut in a barber shops? बार्बर की दुकान पे जब आप जाते हैं तो आप भी लंबे कतार में खड़े रहते हैं क्यू में. Yes, and you feel sleepy, right? Now likewise, yeah. Now let us see the next question. Did the Sultan enjoy the barber's talk? Why do you say so? Now it's a question for you. You have to help me.